Hi, I'm Jeff here with Optoma Technology at InfoComm 2023, and we are excited to show you guys the new Creative Board Web. Up here on our IFP, you will see that we have our new 5 Series panels, and here we have our Creative Board with our collaborative whiteboard. Here on the whiteboard, you see that Billy here has launched a new session. Over here, we have a session code which will allow us to connect remotely via any device, such as the tablet that we have here. Once we populate that session code, we go ahead and hit join. And what that does now is going to go ahead and link our session here to the session up on the panel. It's easy as lifting the pen from the right side of the panel to launch a new session on the whiteboard on the panel. Hitting the little icon on the top right corner with the 2 guys, which will show you the session code ID. That session code can be used to sign in from any device such as a laptop, tablet, even your phone, which is easy to do. It only takes a hot second to get that connected, and once you do, you're able to see the 2 devices connected. And then Billy, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and minimize the session for a second there. This is our floating whiteboard here, and as you can see here, that it shows that we have joined with another device. Now we can initially join as a viewer, but we can go ahead and change that to editor mode, allowing both sides to collaborate. The collaboration means that we have real-time syncing between the 2 devices, so that I can see what he's writing and he can see what I'm writing. So I'm going to go ahead and start writing over here on this panel. And as you can see, it pops up in real time. So this is, again, our new Creative Board Web, and I wanted to go ahead and share that with you today because it's our new exciting feature for our IFPs. And you can sign in today, create your new account on creativeboard.optoma.com. Again,